Your body already has the solution, but here's how we unlock it. At Las Vegas Aesthetics, we use platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, to help restore men's performance and vitality. PRP is packed with natural growth factors that improve circulation, it repairs tissue, and it awakens the nerve sensitivity. This is not a fad. I've used platelets in thousands of cardiothoracic surgeries going back to 1998, and if they were not safe and effective, they never would have been brought into those open heart procedures, ever. But what makes this treatment so powerful is that it relies on your body's own natural healing system. Something certain drug companies do not want you to figuring out, because if more men realize this, the sales of the little blue pill might just start dropping. So instead of relying on chemicals, we use advanced regenerative medicine to stimulate new blood flow naturally. It supports stronger tissue repair and rejuvenation. It delivers longer lasting results that have none of the side effects brought on by the current medications. So when you choose Las Vegas Aesthetics, you're choosing a provider who understands both the science and the art of regenerative medicine. That's why men from over 20 countries trust us for a safe, effective, and natural solution. And if you want to learn how regenerative medicine can optimize your health, schedule a private consultation today. Thank you.